The main selling point of the Poco X3 Pro is its Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 SoC, which is a slightly faster version of the erstwhile flagship Snapdragon 855. This makes the X3 Pro perform very well in benchmarks and even in real-world tasks, including high-end games. You should have more than enough power to get through all your day-to-day activities. Battery life is also quite good, but the large battery makes this phone heavy and bulky. You don't get 5G, which might make this phone seem to lag behind some of its competitors. The Full HD Plus screen has a 120 Hz refresh rate. Its quality is serviceable but not as good as some others at this price level. Similarly, the cameras deliver acceptable performance, but photo and video quality aren't strong points of the Poco X3 Pro. With its eye-catching design and prominent camera bump, the Poco X3 Pro will appeal to young buyers who want performance above all else.